Hi guys, today I will be showing you how to make the geometrical dominator rainbow effect where the stuff comes out of the jar. Maybe, I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna be able to find it. Maybe I could probably just go to Rob's vault and show you what it is if you don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, here the geometrical dominator. The part I'm talking about is this part right here, where it's like they're just the blocks are coming out of the just darkness, like that. So I'm going to show you guys how to make that. So I have a level with this effect. I don't really know where it is, honestly. I think it's Lasers Mayhem or something. No, Lasers like this was just a test for a level I was making, but like this. Yeah, it makes the level way harder than it actually is. But yeah, I guess today we will be showing you how to make that. So obviously you're gonna want to create a new level. That is not how you spell rain. What is a rain? There we go. Okay. So first you're gonna get this background, the like plain background, make it completely black. Get this floor, and then make ground 1 black and ground 2 black. If you want to, you can also make the line black, but I would recommend leaving it white so you can actually see the ground. So, first thing you're gonna want to do is get like whatever block you want. We're going to use this block, so then we're gonna make it black like this, and add like another one here. You guys don't have to do the same gameplay. You just need to make the stuff black. Then you're going to select all that, edit group, next free, 1 add, and then, hold on, let me get a song. Then you're going to add a pulse trigger right before it, group 1. So make sure you don't do channel 1, make sure you do group 1. That's a mistake I did whenever I first learned how to do it. Then you're going to want to make it fade in 10, hold 20, and this fade out for 40. Then you're going to want to make it whatever color you want. I'm going to make it this bluish color. And boom. So now you could kind of copy like making the pulse trigger go off. So copy paste the pulse trigger over somewhere else where you want it. But this time make it target the next group ID you want. And then maybe copy paste the same structure over to wherever you want it. Oops, I accidentally got that too. Then make it, to get rid of that one, and then make it group 2. And like that. And it would be cool to add some like spikes right here. So add it group next tree 3, 3. And they're already black, so you don't need to change their color. Pulse group 3. Make it the same. 10, 20, 40. Make it a different color. I'm gonna make it green. So, like that. So, probably, if you guys want, you should probably make some jump indicators too, so that people who play your level actually know where to jump. But yeah, that's how you make the effect. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and bye.